Hi, everyone. This is Lady T from Soup to Nuts Uncensored, bringing you the latest in hip hop, R&B, and entertainment news. So, in the news today, we're talking about Meek Mill. There was a big rally in front of the prosecutor's office, which is in Center City, Philadelphia. And according to NBC News, I just want to read you this article because it's just so important to know what's really going on here. Prosecutors support new trial for Meek Mill, but rapper will remain in prison. Dozens of Mill supporters gathered outside the courthouse shouting Meek Mill. Rapper Meek Mill is getting closer to having his day in court again. Philadelphia prosecutors told a judge Monday that they support a new trial for Mill, whose multi year sentence for a probation violation has become a rallying cry for criminal justice reform. As dozens of Mill supporters gathered outside the courthouse shouting, "Free Meek," the district attorney's office said it believes there is enough evidence to vacate Mill's conviction after the police officer, in his initial 2007 arrest on drug and gun charges, landed on a list of officers suspected of lying in court and framing witnesses. The district attorney's office said in a statement that there are questions about the credibility of the officer who arrested Mill and others over the years. Lawyers for 30-year-old Mill, whose real name is Robert Remeek Williams, asked the judge that he be released on bail in the meantime. But the judge said that was not the purpose of Monday's status hearing. Mill's lawyers were expected to file a bail motion with a higher court. The judge is expected to make a decision on a new trial in 60 days, a district attorney's office spokesman said. Monday's rally, which is today, in the rain for Mill, was expected to draw popular rappers Rick Ross and Little Uzi Vert and members of the Philadelphia Eagles. The Maybach Curtains rapper, who was sentenced last fall to 2 to 4 years in prison, has been championed by activists as a symbol of how courts can target people of color, in particular Black men with long sentences for less minor crimes. Meek's fame and money did not protect him because where is he? He's locked up right now, said one speaker at Monday's rally. The system is more than Meek. In addition, the hashtag Free Meek Mill has trended on social media in recent weeks as prominent voices, including New England Patriots owner Robert Kraft and entrepreneur and Philadelphia 76ers co owner Michael Rubin, have called for his release. Fellow artists, including husband and wife Jay-Z and Beyonce, have put out songs in support of Meek. In a telephone interview last week from prison, the rapper told NBC News' Lester Holt that he has found a greater purpose in his prison sentence. "I think God delivered me a job to helping people, helping minorities that come to these situations like myself," Mill said. In 2007, Mill was 19 when he was first convicted on drug and gun possession charges and served a 7 month sentence. He hasn't been off probation since. Even as his rap career from the streets of Philadelphia took off with his 2012 debut studio album, Dreams and Nightmares. Then last year, he was arrested twice, once for allegedly popping a wheelie on a motorcycle in New York City, and then for a separate altercation at a Missouri airport. Both charges were dismissed, but he was still found in technical violation of his probation. It was always a thought in the back of my mind that 10 years of probation would bring me back to prison, Mill said. District Attorney Larry Krasner told NBC News last week that the information involving the police officer in 2007 has changed how prosecutors see the case. Krasner does not oppose Mill's early release and said he is a poster child for reforming the system across the board. African Americans are ending up with worse sentences over and over than white people. Now, really, after all of this, you would think that they would release Meek Mill. Are you kidding me? This Judge Hinckley must really carry some sort of weight because everybody is rallying for Meek Mill to be released from prison and they're still holding him. This is just an awful situation. But the good thing is that this is shedding the light, like I said in previous posts, on criminal justice reform for African American men. Proportionately, throughout history, they have been labeled and been treated so unjustly. Hopefully, Larry Krasner, who has always been a civil rights lawyer, will really step it up and really make those changes that need to be made. You'll be home soon, Meek Mill. Free Meek Mill. All right, everyone. This is Lady T from Soup to Nuts Uncensored, bringing you the latest in hip hop, R&B, and entertainment news. As I often say, make your day great, live your life on purpose. Take care, everyone, and I'll talk to you all soon.